trouble here is I don't want to go too far out in the lake. There's virtually no waves out there. And because the wind is coming from the south, if I was to glide, I have to go that way. So I got a nice choice of fields there, but now I probably wouldn't glide as far into the wind. And I sure can't glide to Canada from here. And I see Cedar Point up there. There's a lot of amusement rides and stuff coming up, so I have no idea what the camera can see. Probably that one outside picks up something. I don't know why people want to watch the land anyway. Lake's better. Well, what's really dangerous about this lake is the visibility, and I've seen this before where the whole lake disappears. You can't see it. I'm going to turn here and do a circle so you can see out on the lake. See that? It's just nothing. You can't see the horizon hardly. Just a bunch of haze, you know. But looking down, I can see the water, so it's pretty safe to do this. But there's some days when I don't want to get anywhere near this lake. It's too spooky. The only thing I notice is the wind is making some turbulence. Just the wind coming off there. That's not from thermals. That's some kind of mechanical turbulence, I would say. They did say you could have a thunderstorm today, too, so a little bit later. It's about 12:30 right now. It's really lunchtime. And maybe if I went down a little lower, I'd be better, but of course then I can't glide as far. But I'm at the point now where I got, let's see, 18 miles to go, 18 and a half miles. And yeah, all that white stuff, there's a lighthouse down there, and it looks like condominiums or vacation homes or something. They're all painted white with a green roof. So I kind of go out on this sandbar here, and that's where Cedar Point's located. I'm pretty sure everybody that goes to Cedar Point has to go either across a causeway down there or one out there that you see coming up. That's the only way to get out here. So if you go to Cedar Point Amusement Park, you're kind of out in the lake. Now the airport would go to if we wanted to land. I'm not sure I'm even going to land, but it'd be right straight ahead, according to my GPS. So it's 17 miles out there yet. So see what the ground speed is. 72. So I'm getting a push. That makes it kind of bounce around a lot. I'm being pushed out there. Okay, I'm a little lower now. I'm at 1,600 feet. That seems a little smoother down here. It's not quite so bumpy. Well, usually it is smooth over water. I think that's from the wind coming off the land and it's tumbling. And I'm so close to land that I'm getting some mechanical turbulence here, but that's just what I think it is. I don't know. I know one thing, if the wind's behind you, that usually makes it real. In fact, if it comes from behind in a gust or something, if you're going slow, it can stall. You make you stall and you'll drop. You know, wind shear, you know, they call that. Real bad when you're landing. It can really kind of drop out from under you. Not fun. In fact, it can happen if you say you got a headwind and you're coming into land. If you're going too slow, when you get down, you know, below the tree line or something, that wind might quit blowing because down on the ground there might not be any wind. So then all of a sudden you lost your headwind and you're going way too slow to fly, and you'll feel it drop. It'll go right down towards the ground. What the heck is this thing out here in the water? Something's sticking up out here. Is that a boat? Oh, that's Cedar Point Amusement Park there, straight ahead. Out. On. All right, 12 miles to the airport. And we you got to go across this, I think they call this Marblehead or something. Maybe they're mining marble or granite or something out here. It looks like a big quarry to me. Lake Erie I don't think is very deep around here. I don't think you can stand up on it, but some places out here you can't even walk out about a quarter mile. It's a great place to go swimming because, you know, there's a lot of sand and it goes way out, kind of surprises you. And of course, being a lake, it's probably lower than most of the land around here. That's where all the water's running in here, so I think 1,600 feet's plenty higher than the cell phone towers. I'm 11 miles from this airport, but I'm not sure I'm going to land there. They got a monument out here, and I might instead of paying a landing fee to do what? I don't have to pee, so I can't see landing if I don't have to. It's not as nice a day as I thought it might be. There's really no sun now. It was supposed to be mostly sunny is what the weather said. Yeah, it's not turning out that way. But that was in the morning, and then later it's gonna, you know, kind of cloud up, so. Yeah, 10.5 miles over here, so not too far. I'll show you over this way. That's where they load ore carriers and stuff like that. Big ships come in and they get whatever they're digging out of here. I really don't know what it is. Gravel, looks like a big sand and gravel pit. I hope the battery in my cameras keep working. And I'm up to 1,700 feet now, a little bit. I'm only going 60 mile an hour, but ground speed is 63, 64. That's a little push from the back. That's kind of good. Gets me out here quick. But it'll take me longer to get back. People don't take this track. Some people come across right around in here someplace, I think, because it's only, I don't know, 4 miles over water or something. You don't fly as much over the water, but I know how to swim. I got my life vest on here, and I put that on at Ortman back there. It's one of those, got a little thing hanging on it. It says, jerk to inflate, and I'm not sure what that means. I guess if you pull it, you're a jerk or something. I don't know. But I wanted one that would inflate, because if you have one that's solid and floats, you know, if you go in that water, you could be upside down, and you don't know which way's up. So I wanted something so I can kick away from a submerged aircraft, and after I get away from it, then pull it, and I should come to the surface, whichever way that is. But I do know how to swim, and that helps me a lot. I'm not so afraid of water. But for some people, water can be kind of terrifying, I guess.